my name is Laksana. I'm a teaching staff at Department of Architecture and Planning, Universitas Gadjah Mada. In this video, I will present a poster titled Implementation and Impacts of Education for Sustainable Development Experience of Universitas Gadjah Mada. Green physical settings, which can be green building or green campus, were built as an effort to achieve sustainable development. However, it should be noted that a green physical settings cannot be sustained and function properly without green behavior. Therefore, it is important to have green behavior in a green physical settings. Green behavior, as any behavior, need to be taught. Therefore, education for sustainable development is needed. Programs related to sustainable development in the academic institution has been started decades ago. From the energy crisis, Cornell University launched Energy Conservation Initiative. And for the climate change issue, Association for the Advancement of Sustainable Higher Education established in 2005, and they have stars rating a self-reporting sustainability for higher education. In Indonesia, we have Universitas Indonesia with the GreenMetric ranking system. Universitas Gadjah Mada has incorporated green policy in its strategic plan to develop a productive and conducive learning atmosphere through development of green, low-carbon campus with an emphasis on zero waste, renewable energy, and green behavior. The concept of education for sustainable development in Universitas Gadjah Mada is based on the importance of education in fostering green behavior. The program is implemented by Integrated Smart and Green Building or INSGREET research group. There are two target audiences in the ESD program. The first one is academic community. The program is consisted of workshop, games, and science project with an emphasis in green lifestyle. And the second one is for stakeholder with workshop and focus group discussion with an emphasis in green paradigm. ESD in academic community has been implemented in elementary school, high school, and university student dormitory. In elementary school, the program workshop and games. In high school, the program were workshop and science project. And for the freshmen or newly admitted student, the program was workshop and evaluation. For stakeholder, it consisted of academics, government official, professional, and business people, including building owner and building manager. Is a seminar. It consisted of workshop and focus group discussion. Based on assessment conducted at 2019 ESD event in dormitory, we can determine the impact of ESD. Among the questions asked were, have you heard about green building? And did you understand what green building is? And the results are, for the pre-event, 40% of the audience understand a little. And then for the post-event test, the drastic change, about 83% of the audience now understand green building well. Other questions asked also included, do you know what green behavior is? And there's also a significant increase in knowledge. The conclusion and lesson learned from the experience of Universitas Gadjah Mada in organizing ESD event were higher education as a center of knowledge should actively provide society with education to achieve sustainable development. Universitas Gadjah Mada, through INSGREET Research Group, has organized a series of ESD events since 2016, and the impact of the program was an immediate observable change in cognitive and behavioral domain towards sustainable lifestyle. Alright, I hope our experience in organizing ESG could be an inspiration for you and for your institution to do the same thing. Thank you for watching. Please stay healthy and have a nice day.